acoustic video
from Yourhousekeyz.com, and that's keys with a Z.
My name is Walter with WKST.
I'm Jay Galen with JG Homes. Our special guest today, Joe Kramer, Sierra Pacific Mortgage.
Thank you.
Wow, what a day this has been.
A good day.
Yeah. Great day. Got a lot of information today. Well, today we're talking about, as a buyer, do you know how to vet a lender?
How do you vet a lender? How do you qualify a lender?
Yeah, let's talk about this because I've been a lender. This is my 25th year in mortgage. I've closed over 3,000 loans. I actually stopped counting at 3,000 loans, so I've been doing this a long time. And so what I find out there is a lot of lenders, maybe they've been doing this a few years, but most buyers don't interview the lender. So if I were a buyer and I had a lender, I would ask the lender, how long have you been doing this? Do you own a home? You'd be surprised at how many lenders or loan officers you talk to, and they don't even own a home. You know, or if you're buying an investment property, Mr. Lender, do you own investment property? Have you owned investment property? Is it all book knowledge, or have you actually experienced what I'm about to do?
Well, you know, a lot of buyers out there probably, they're going to their bank. I bank here, and it's a big bank, and therefore they must be a good lender. I won't say the big bank that I'm with and I refied with, and it was a nightmare, you know? Yeah. So bigger is not necessarily better, right?
Oh, absolutely. Let me give you an example. I belong to a credit union, a large credit union here in Orange County. Great credit union. I love them for all my consumer stuff. But what's funny is they do loans, but the head of the training department at the credit union and the head of the customer service department came to me to do the loan. And actually recently, I just did a loan for a loan officer who works for Bank of America and a loan officer who works for Wells Fargo. They came.
What does that tell you?
Yeah. So they came to me to do their loan because you need to work with a good lender. You need to know that they know what they're doing, that they've experienced what you're about to go through, and that they can get it done in a timely manner. Go ahead.
And they also understand your situation. I mean, you could be a veteran.
Absolutely.
You could be a first-time home buyer, and you go FHA. They know the products. They know what's right for you. It's like they're fitting you to a suit that works. And a suit that's going to get you positioned to actually win that property so that you can move into a new home.
Yeah, and I had a case, I had a buyer who has a lot of rentals. Yeah. And rentals have a lot of depreciation. So her income actually looked horrible if you were just looking at it 1040. Yeah. But when you actually added in all the depreciation, she was making a lot of money every month.
I'm glad you mentioned that. I had a buyer not too long ago. They had 6 rental properties, all owned free and clear. All their income was non-taxable, and they had been to 7 lenders, and every lender said you don't qualify. And so they came to me. Granted, it took me like 4 hours to get through their tax returns and go through their qualifying. We got them into their home. They moved into their home. They're enjoying their home just because I or the lender knew how to qualify them based upon their unique situation. I think that's the key.
Sierra Pacific Mortgage, Joe Kramer, not a bad place to start at all.
Love to help.
Okay, and he's here to help. If you like this video, there's a little thumbprint at the bottom. Click that.
Don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends.
To Yourhousekeyz with a Z here on YouTube. Visit us at Yourhousekeyz.com. Our phone number's coming up. Let's talk real estate.